it's about nails today. Oh my god, my nails look so bad. But not to worry, I've bought some things because I want to start taking care of my nails. They look very bad. Let me not even show them to you, but yeah. So in this video I'll be showing you some of the things that I've bought, and I think they'll also help you if you want to start like nail care or maybe doing your pedicure and manicure. These are some of the basic stuffs that you should have, that I think you should have. Mark you, I'm not purporting to be a nail tech or a professional nail artist or something of the sort. I'm also a beginner in these nail stuff. Just done a little bit of research and I've bought what I think will work for me and what I think I really need to have. Let's get into the video. I'll be showing you all of my products. I'm sorry you can't see the table right here. It's a little bit messy, but I'll be showing you the products that I do have. If that's okay. First of all, I only have 5 products with me. Those are the only products that I've bought. And if you are a beginner or if you want to start making your nails at home, I think this will go a long way. You don't have to have multiple products. You just need to have some few basics. So that's what I'm going to be showing to you. So let me remove this sticker first. It will come out looking bad, but it's okay. They haven't paid for the promotion. So let me get it out real quick. So first thing that I have is this is nail polish remover, also known as acetone or something. Yeah, but this is just nail polish remover. I think you should have this because it works. Woo! Acetone is super conk, so I think this works pretty well if you want to remove your nail polish or you just want to clean up after applying polish to your fingers. You can use it. And I didn't buy cotton swabs because I'll be using just some plain cloth that I have lying around in the house, so I didn't see the need of buying cotton pads or cotton wool. But if you want to buy cotton wool, the better. Go ahead and buy it. So first I have the nail polish remover, also known as the acetone. Then I have these 2 important products that you must have. So this is my nail polish. It's in the color nude. It's nude in color. I don't really know how this is called, but yeah, that's the company Luron, but it's in the color nude. I don't know if it's visible. Number 32. It's purplish, not purplish, beige, not really beige, of pink. I don't know if you can see the color really well. So that's the nail polish that I bought. Yeah, to just help me because why not? I liked the color. Then I have these products. This is all-in-one double up base and top coat. So this acts as the base coat and it's also the top coat. It's a 2-in-1 product, so it will help me in that. If you want, you can buy separate base coat and separate top coat, but for me I went 2-in-1 because I'm a beginner in this nail stuff and I don't want to exceed or go overboard my product list. I don't want to go overboard. I'll be doing it at home and I want to keep it as simple as it can get. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this nail file, and it also has cuticle remover. It's 2-in-1. This is how it looks. So it's like this. So this side here is the nail file. You can see the grains over here. This is where you can file your nails with. Both sides, it has the file on both sides. Then if you turn it like this other side, this is where the cuticle remover is, and it's super sharp. So yeah, this will also help to be removing my cuticles. You can see how my nail is. Can you see those nails? They look so bad. Why is this thing not focusing? My nails look so bad. Yeah, but that's it. Then the final thing that I got is this buffer, nail buffer. It looks like this. Let me take it off this packet. So here it is, and it's labeled on the sides. It's labeled on all the sides. Oh, it has steps where you have the step 1 is where you have the coarse grit or shape nail. Step 2 is medium grit or refine the shape of the nail. Then step 3 is the fine grit to smooth edges of the nail. So that's the front and the back of the buffer. Then at the sides of the buffer, we also have it's marked out in 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 is to even out the ridges, 2 is to smooth the nail surface, then 3 is to buff the nail surface, and 4 is to shine the nail surface. So yeah, these are the products that I bought that I'll be using as a beginner who wants to do her nails. I think this will work just as fine. If you want to start out, you don't have to break the bank or something. Yeah, I think this will do. This will help me really go a long way. So yeah, that's it. And another reason why I also want to start out on doing my nails is the fact that I'm ashamed to say this, but I have to say it. I do bite my nails. Like at times I get myself when I'm just relaxing, I get myself biting, like I catch myself biting my nails, which I know is not a good habit. So I think polishing my nails will kind of hinder me from doing that. And also when I'm anxious, especially around people, I bite on my nails, and I know that's super embarrassing. But I'm a nail biter. But now when I polish my nails, I know I won't be biting on my nails. Sorry, you see. Anxiety. Anyways, that's it for the video. I hope you liked everything. So if you are a beginner and you don't know which products to start with, this will go a long way. This will help. This is a starter kit. In Kenyan shilling, I got all these for less than 500 shillings. I got some change out of 500. So if you want to start out on making your nails at super low price or at affordable or cheap, this is for you. This is all that you need. And maybe to add on that, you can add maybe some, are they called nail clippers? I think they are called nail clippers. You can just get whatever works for you, but these are just the basic items that I have. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.